Looking for something fun and educational for your kids to do? I have the perfect thing for you. Hi, I'm Cheryl Dickens, and I'm one of the branch managers for the Halifax County Library System, and I'm here to introduce a brand new item that we currently have in circulation here at the Halifax County Library System, the Playaway Launchpad. This Launchpad is filled with fun activities for your child to continue learning and having fun at the same time. And the best part, you don't need internet access. Do you want to learn more about these Playaway Launchpads? Well, let's visit another one of my librarian friends in the Weldon, North Carolina area. Miss Latasha, can you share more about the Launchpads with us?
Hi everybody, come on and check this out with me. Today I have one of our new Playaway Launchpads. This Launchpad is a preloaded tablet for our patrons to stay and play or to check out. The Launchpad that I have here is called Build That Brain, and it's preloaded with brain games for teens. Each Launchpad includes, let me show you, a very nice tablet and charging piece. And if you were to stay and play at our libraries, we will provide earbuds for you. Now, let's check out the tablet. I'm so excited. The tablet is very easy to navigate or to use. There is an on-off switch here and a volume switch at the bottom. These are located on the right side of the tablet. And guess what, friends? On this tablet, you can also create an avatar. See, isn't that exciting? Let's start playing. Here are just a few of the games that are provided on our tablet and a navigation feature that tells you how to use it. Let's click OK. Those are some of the games. I actually like the Pictosaurus. Let's play that one. Wish me luck. See? And it comes up like this. All right, are you ready? Let's play this game. What does that look like, friends? It's red and shiny. I think it's an apple. What do you think? Let's see. And you spell apple this way. A P P L E. Correct. Look at all the coins I just earned. Awesome. So the next time you're at one of the 5 library branches in the Halifax County Library System, look for a Launchpad and check one out. I hope to see you really soon. Take care.
Now that you have been trained in how to operate the Playaway Launchpad, are you interested in checking one out? Well, let's head down to Halifax, North Carolina, where our very own Miss Barb is going to show you the check-in and check-out process of the Playaway Launchpad.
Hello. So you want to check out the awesome new Playaway Launchpad devices? Great. Go to your local Halifax County Library System branch with your library card and your cell phone. You must be age 16 or older with a current library card in good standing and a cell phone that is able to be called so we can verify your contact information. If you do not have a library card that is current or you need to obtain one, then you'll need to bring a picture ID as well as the cell phone. Once we have your information entered into our system, the next step is to read the checkout agreement form so you know the rules. We can give you a copy of them to take with you, but they will also be found on our website in case you forget. There are 2 ways to check out the device. One is for in-library use only, which requires a library card, but you'll also be given a set of earbuds. The other is for a 7-day period that you can take home. If you are a visitor to the area, we can give you a guest pass, but you will still need a valid picture ID and cell phone for verification. There are different types of Launchpads aimed at different ages, but they are all educational and fun for all ages. To learn more about what kind are available, to view the agreement forms, or for more information, please check out our website or call your local branch. We are excited to be offering these new Launchpad devices to our patrons and hope you will check one out soon, starting on Monday, November 8th. Have a great day.
Now that you know how to operate, navigate, and check out one of the Launchpads, what are you waiting for? Why are you still sitting there? Grab your keys, jump in your vehicle, and head down to one of our 5 libraries in the Halifax County Library System, which are Halifax, Enfield, Littleton, Scotland Neck, and Weldon. And we will be more than happy to assist you in checking out one of our Playaway Launchpads. Remember, we are the Halifax County Library System, where we are more than just books. We can't wait to see you.